Hello and welcome to your channel, Hemika Sharma. In this video, we'll discuss different ways how you can share your opinion. अगर आपने अपना opinion share करना है, तो English में ऐसी कौन सी phrases है जो आप बोल सकते हो ताकि आपकी language interesting sound करे. So here we go. First, in my opinion. In my opinion, I should go on a diet rather than hitting the gym every day. Second, as I see it. As I see it, we have an opportunity to crack this deal. Third, in my view. In my view, I should opt for science instead of maths. Fourth, in my mind. In my mind, religion is a propaganda for politics. Fifth, to my way of thinking. To my way of thinking, we should learn early in the morning rather than late night studies. Sixth, if you ask me, if you ask me, we should rather go to a beach rather than to the hills. Seventh, from my standpoint, from my standpoint, we should save 5,000 rupees each month. Personally, I personally prefer tea over coffee as coffee has a lot of caffeine. And the last one, in my estimation. In my estimation, we should be saving 5,000 rupees every month to plan a holiday this year. So, my dear friends, I hope you have learned a lot of new phrases that can help you to talk about your opinion, to share your opinion with your loved ones, or in the professional environment. Happy learning!